for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Ford Transit 150. The Transit 150 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacity. It is comfortable and easy to drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, electronic stability control, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front license plate bracket, four-piece floor mat set, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.